Hold on to your paintbrushes, folks. We're about to embark on a journey through a fascinating intersection of art and technology. Artificial intelligence isn't just mastering chess anymore, it's creating art. Yes, you heard that right. The same technology that powers your smartphone and helps you navigate through traffic is now dabbling in the world of creativity. And we're not talking about your nephew's refrigerator art. This isn't just simple doodles or basic sketches. We're talking about sophisticated, sometimes breathtaking pieces generated by algorithms. These digital masterpieces are being showcased in galleries and exhibitions around the world, challenging our very notions of what art can be. Imagine landscapes you could get lost in, with every detail meticulously crafted by an AI. These aren't just random patterns, they're carefully designed to evoke emotions and tell stories. Portraits that seem to stare into your soul, capturing the essence of human expression with an uncanny accuracy. It's almost as if the machine understands the depth of human emotions. And all of this is crafted by lines of code. Complex algorithms working behind the scenes, transforming data into art. It's a blend of science and creativity, where each line of code is like a brushstroke on a canvas. Spooky and cool, right? The idea that a machine can create something so profoundly human is both fascinating and a little eerie. One of the earliest examples was the portrait of Edmond de Bellamy. This AI-generated artwork, created by an algorithm called Generative Adversarial Network, GAN, made headlines around the world. It sold at Christie's auction house for a whopping $432,500. That's right, a piece of art created by a machine fetched a price that many human artists can only dream of. Clearly, someone saw value in this new form of art. But what about the art world's gatekeepers, the critics? Well, they were in for a surprise too. The traditional art critics, who have spent years honing their skills to distinguish between masterpieces and mediocrity, found themselves challenged by this new wave of AI art. A 2023 study showed that art critics couldn't reliably distinguish between AI-generated art and human-made pieces. This revelation shook the art community to its core. In fact, the AI art scored a respectable 60% approval rating. This means that not only is AI art being accepted, but it's also being appreciated and valued. It seems even the trained eye can be fooled by the power of algorithms. The lines between human and machine creativity are blurring, leading us to question the very nature of art. But does this mean machines are the new Picassos? Let's dive deeper into this intriguing world and explore the possibilities and implications of AI in art. The future of artistic expression might just be a harmonious blend of human intuition and machine precision. Now you might be thinking, 60% isn't that impressive. True, it's not a perfect score, but remember, these are art critics. They spend their lives analyzing brushstrokes and deciphering artistic intent. The fact that AI could even come close is a testament to how far the technology has come. What's even more fascinating is how AI creates art. It's not simply copying existing works. Instead, it's fed massive datasets of images, learning patterns, styles, and techniques. Then, using complex algorithms, it generates entirely new pieces, often blending different artistic influences in surprising and innovative ways. This isn't just imitation, it's a new form of creative expression. But the question remains, can we truly call it art if there's no human hand guiding the brush? Or is it just a sophisticated form of mimicry? The debate rages on. Art isn't the only creative domain being disrupted by AI. While the world has been fascinated by AI's ability to create visual masterpieces, another revolution is quietly taking place in the realm of music. The intersection of technology and creativity is not a new concept, but the advancements we're witnessing today are unprecedented. Music, the universal language, is undergoing its own technological revolution. The melodies that once required years of training and a deep understanding of musical theory can now be generated by algorithms in a matter of minutes. This shift is not just about speed, it's about redefining the boundaries of creativity. From composing symphonies to writing pop songs, AI is proving to be quite the maestro. These intelligent systems analyze countless compositions, learning the intricacies of rhythm, harmony, and melody. They can mimic the styles of legendary composers or create entirely new genres that challenge our traditional understanding of music. Imagine listening to a catchy tune on the radio, the kind that gets stuck in your head for days. You might think it's the latest hit from a popular artist, crafted with care and emotion. The melody is infectious, the lyrics are relatable, and the production is top-notch. Every beat, every note seems to resonate perfectly, creating an experience that feels both personal and universal. You tap your foot, you hum along, you might even shed a tear. Music has that power to move us, to connect us, to make us feel alive. It's a language that speaks directly to our hearts. Now, what if I told you that song wasn't written by a human artist, but by an AI? The surprise might be overwhelming, but it's a testament to how far technology has come. These AI systems are not just tools, they are creators in their own right. That's the reality we're facing. AI-generated music is not a distant future, it's here, and it's evolving rapidly. The lines between human and machine creativity are blurring, challenging our perceptions and expectations. AI-generated music is becoming increasingly sophisticated, often indistinguishable from human-made compositions. These systems can understand and replicate the emotional depth that we associate with music, making their creations feel incredibly authentic. Using similar techniques as AI art, algorithms can analyze vast libraries of music, learning musical elements, genres, and even the emotional nuances of different chords and melodies. This deep learning process allows AI to create music that resonates on a deeply emotional level. They can then use this knowledge to create original pieces that evoke a wide range of emotions. Whether it's a joyful tune that makes you want to dance or a melancholic melody that brings tears to your eyes, AI can craft it all. So the next time you're blown away by a new song, don't be so quick to assume it was the product of a human heart. The creative process is evolving, and AI is becoming an integral part of it. It might just be the output of a very clever algorithm. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in music, one thing is clear: the future of creativity is boundless, and the possibilities are endless. The secret sauce behind AI's creative prowess? Data. But not just any data. We're talking about vast oceans of information, collected from every corner of the digital universe. Mountains and mountains of data. Imagine every tweet, every blog post, every video, every song, every scientific paper, and every piece of digital content ever created. All of it, stored and ready to be analyzed. Just like we humans learn through observation and experience, AI thrives on information. But while we might take years to master a subject, AI can do it in a fraction of the time. But here's the kicker: AI can consume and process information at a pace that would make our human brains melt. Imagine trying to read 1,000 books in a day. Impossible for us, but a walk in the park for AI. Imagine reading every book in the Library of Congress, not just skimming through but understanding and retaining every single word. Listening to every song ever recorded, analyzing every note, every beat, and every lyric, and watching every movie ever made, understanding the plot, the characters, the cinematography, and the underlying themes. Now imagine doing that in a matter of hours, or even minutes. That's the kind of speed and efficiency AI brings to the table. That's the kind of information-gobbling power AI possesses. It can sift through terabytes of data, finding patterns and insights that would take humans years to uncover. By analyzing these massive data sets, AI can make connections that are invisible to the human eye. It can predict trends, identify anomalies, and even generate new ideas. AI identifies patterns and connections that we humans might miss. It can see the forest for the trees, and then some. It uncovers hidden relationships between seemingly disparate elements, revealing a web of interconnected data points that can lead to groundbreaking discoveries, leading to unexpected and often groundbreaking creative outputs. From generating unique pieces of art to composing symphonies, AI's creative potential is limitless. It's like having a superpowered research assistant who can sift through the entirety of human knowledge and then use that knowledge to create something entirely new. Imagine having an assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to dive into the next big project. This ability to learn at warp speed allows AI to break free from the limitations of human creativity, exploring new frontiers, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art, music, and beyond. Pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art, music, and beyond. It's like having a collaborator who brings fresh perspectives and ideas to the table, constantly challenging the status quo. It's both exciting and a little terrifying, isn't it? The potential is immense, but it also raises questions about the future of creativity and the role of humans in this new landscape.